I am a bit of an organizational freak, so to speak. Everything has to be in its exact place, whether it's my race hauler, my closet at home, in my car. I've got to have a certain place for everything. That's kind of how I keep going. When you got a bunch of different stuff going on, you have to have a place for everything. Well, that's kind of true for a lot of people. So what I decided to do is change the storage system that comes from the factory in this truck. The one you get from the Jeep people, well, basically just a big open slot. So everything that's under the seat is going to fly around when you're going down the road. It's all going to get mixed up. And when you get where you got to go, you have a hard time finding what you're looking for. So this under-seat storage system we got from WeatherTech has got dividers in it, so it keeps everything organized, and it's going to be where you need to find it when you get where you got to go. And it pairs nicely, too, with the floor liners both front and back, and the whole thing kind of works as a package, so it looks like it came from the factory.
Now, sure, Bruno's OCD organizational skills are fun to talk about, but I'd like to paint a real-life picture for you right now, if you would. Just go with me on this one. We're out there, outside, in the Mojave Edition Jeep. We're out there with our friends in our favorite place. Maybe mine's got kind of a dirt and sandy kind of floor, right next to the river. The water's running. It's a beautiful sunny day, and then boom, thunderstorm out of nowhere. It's happened to all of us, right? So we got to run around. We got to shut everything up, shut all the windows, close the tent, all that. Now we're ready to get into the vehicle, but we're soaking wet and our feet are muddy. We don't even think about it. You know why? Because we got the floor mats in there. It's total peace of mind. We're not even worried about the floor of this thing because we know it's protected. Now, here's the part where it gets crazy. We're driving down the road. We're all soaking wet. There's 4 of us. It's like a locker room after practice kind of scenario. That's not good, right? And we're driving down the road. But we don't even worry about that either because we have the side window deflectors. And we can roll the windows down, and that steamy, musty air is going to go outside, and the fresh air is going to come inside, and we are going to be rolling down the road in comfort. So sure, we've got organization, but we also have protection and comfort because that's how we roll. So let me load up, dude. All right, hold up. Just like that. This is the CargoTech Pro. Now, this is pretty cool. We had this on not too long ago. It's a modular system that can really configure to any size square or rectangular shape that you wanted to. You get the corner pieces like that, and you can get a 1x6 or a 1x4 because you can put these little red brackets down here if you want it lower or right up there. But it sits in there. Whether it's on one of these or not, it doesn't slide around. So you want gas cans, dog food, groceries, ropes, toolboxes, whatever.
Basically, the heavier stuff you got in it, the more secure it's going to be because it's going to use its own weight to kind of secure it to the back. And here's the key part is when you step on the gas or you slam on the brake, it's going to stay here instead of slamming into the bed of the truck. Look at you got that all dialed in.
Look at that. It's not going to slide around.
I noticed that. You tried moving it. It wasn't going anywhere.
No, it's not going anywhere at all. All right, now we can hit the road.
Hey, slow down, dude. I got a coffee here.
Why would you bring a coffee with no lid in?
I'm not a child. Oh, dude.
Come on, dude.
We got the floor liners.
Yeah. All right.
We're good, man. I'll get that out when we get back. Don't sweat it.
All right.
But you know what? Staying in the mat